Bagong taon, bagong smartwatch, ibig sabihin kailangan ko mag-exercise.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Now this is a budget smartwatch with a full set of premium features. From dedicated GPS tracking to measuring your blood oxygen level, it all comes packed in this budget smartwatch from Xiaomi. What's up guys, I've been using the Redmi Watch 2 Lite for about a week now, and when it comes to smart bands and smartwatches, their main differentiating feature is not just their price but mainly their feature set. But when it comes to Xiaomi's budget smartwatch, it starts to blur the line a little bit. Coming in at only 2,899 pesos, this entry-level smartwatch comes packed with many features. Now, Xiaomi is marketing this watch as a smart band, but I honestly think that it is much more than that. Let's get into it by jumping into the design. The Redmi Watch 2 Lite comes in that typical smartwatch form factor with the black square design. This watch also comes in 5 other colorways that you can find on Shopee, Lazada, and Xiaomi's physical stores. Since I got the blue version of the watch, the device itself is covered in a navy blue plastic with matching sweat-proof silicone straps. And the straps are also removable, so keep an eye out for those third-party straps out there. Now, I am happy to see that there is a 1.55-inch touch display. It is an LCD screen with a resolution of 320 by 360, and it is not as big as more expensive smartwatches, but it is definitely large enough for you to navigate the features of the watch. Now, this watch does have a physical button on the right-hand side, and it is nice and clicky. Now, this is also a water-resistant watch for up to 5 atmospheres, meaning it's safe to swim and shower with it on. Now, the chipset on this watch is quite unremarkable, and you can see that when you're scrolling through the UI, but let's get into that a bit later on. Now let's move on to the battery life. Redmi claims this watch lasts 10 days on a single charge, which is true if you turn all settings to low, but since I like to leave all the monitoring features on, like constant heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring at night, maximum brightness, and push notifications, battery life is much more comparable to 5 or 7 days. In terms of charging, this watch does charge from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours with the included magnetic charger. Now let's move on to this watch's software and features. You can pair the watch to your phone with the included QR code in the manual, and from there you can customize the watch to your liking. This is a Bluetooth 5.0 capable device, so you can access different features from your phone, such as push notifications and music control. As you can see, the chipset on the device is having quite a hard time pushing the scrolling animations, but from what I've seen, it doesn't really interfere with the actual functionality of the watch. If you press and hold on the watch face, you can find quite a few faces you can choose from, with more available on the app, including some new Spider-Man No Way Home watch faces. But don't worry, there are no spoilers here, and quick shout out to the cinema at Promenade where you can watch Spider-Man No Way Home right now. Now you can access the app gallery by double-clicking on the physical button, and from there you can access the different features on this device, from meditation to setting an alarm. Xiaomi did an awesome job when it comes to the fitness-related features, with over 100 different exercise profiles you can choose from. For me, I found myself using the jump rope preset the most since it's my only form of cardio besides sweating in Valorant. Now, for a smartwatch at this price point, it does come included with a dedicated GPS tracking chip, so you don't have to bring your phone with you when you go on runs. But sadly, I wasn't able to test this out, mainly because of what's going on out there right now. In terms of health tracking, this also records the usual, like heart rate, sleep quality, stress levels, and now the new blood O2 reader, which is oxygen saturation. I tested the blood oxygen reader and it works fine as long as you stay very still for an accurate reading. So I recommend using this feature when you sleep, which is a setting you can enable in the paired app. Now, there are definitely quite a few quality of life features that I am missing from this smartwatch. mainly the ambient light sensor. So you will have to manually set the brightness of the LCD screen before you head out of the house. It's quite an annoying feature to not have. Another con is that there is no tap to wake feature. So you will have to rely on the raise to wake, which is kind of slow, so you might as well just press the button on the side to wake the watch. But with all that being said, I definitely still recommend this smartwatch if you are new to the smartwatch world or if you're looking to upgrade from a fitness band. I myself will be making the switch from my old broken Fitbit to this new smartwatch because it is just so much better in every single way. Now, are you looking for a new smartwatch? Make sure to leave a comment down below and don't forget to leave a like, a sub, and make sure to hit that notification bell button to get updated on our next video here at Unbox. Once again, my name is Anton and I'll see you later.
Helicopter, helicopter!